Look at that girl. Just climbing right in. Just climbing right in. What, Mama? We cleaned the room and Mama's not sure what she thinks about that. What do you think, Mama? You tell him. You tell him. You show him how it's done. You show him how it's done. I know. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? They're following you all over the place now, Mama. Yes, they are. You're going to have to go up high to get away from them. I know. I know. Hello, cutie. Hello, cutie pie. Let's see. I got the boys in my lap. I got the boys. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.